I'm Cathy Caswell, and I'm going to describe how you can use Logosynthesis to support a year-end review. The first step is to connect with what's important in your life, what brings your life meaning. Then take a look at what gets in the way of that. The third step is to use the Logosynthesis method, the basic procedure, to identify and resolve the blocks so that it creates space for what's important. The fourth step is to then take action. After you resolve what bothers you and those triggers are gone, it allows you to really take action to see what resources are available to you and what resources you need to secure in order to achieve what your goals are. And then the fifth step is to make this part of a routine to take time throughout your everyday life just to recognize what gets in the way of what's important and resolve the blocks. You don't have to do it all at once. Just be conscious, be aware, and notice what is actually blocking you. So if there are three important points, one is to always remember to resolve what bothers you before you take action. The action you take when you're calm, when you're focused, is much different than a reaction to what's happening in the world around you. Secondly, is to recognize that many of the things that bother us are actually frozen beliefs, attitudes, things that we've picked up from past experiences that no longer serve us, especially when the world's changing, when there's a lot of uncertainty. And so if we can resolve those frozen beliefs and attitudes, it creates space to actually act. The third point is that you don't need to become more. You don't need to fix yourself. If you notice what gets in the way of the real you and take time to resolve those frozen blocks, that is all you need. If you're looking for some information on how to get started using Logosynthesis to support your everyday living, pick up a copy of my new book, Thriving in Our Times from Reactions to Action Using Logosynthesis. Sign up for a course or join us online on a conference on January 11th. And the information for all of that is in the comments section below. Take care.